Have you ever wondered how nocturnal insects work at night? In 2013, a research paper was published called Navigational Efficiency of Nocturnal Myrmecia Ants Suffers at Low Light Level. As stated in the title, the paper focuses on the insect Myrmecia, which is an ant also known as the bull ant, and how its normal activity is affected by light levels. This article mentions how insects have adapted their eyes to cope with different light levels. As the bull ant is nocturnal, they have adapted A-positioned eyes which have a large single lens. The paper explains how they investigate the ant's homing abilities in dark, dim and bright lighting conditions, where it was measured by homing success and path shape and travel time. The ant path was tracked and marked by using small flags placed 5 centimeters behind a walking ant. They tracked 9 ants from a single nest, 3 every 30 minutes. This showed that the ants which left in the first 30 minutes reached the tree faster than those who left 60 to 90 minutes later. The pauses represented by the blue dots are shown to have increased as light decreased. Next, the behaviour and speed was monitored by a video camera placed on a path which captured the head position. This helped measure the pause duration and walking speed. By recording the results of 2 nests, they found that when lighting decreased, the walking speed dropped and pauses increased. Homing accuracy in different lighting, and also how lighting affects homing navigation were next procedures used. Both of these have similar starts where they capture ants from the same nest at the base of a tree and feed them a solution of 10% sugar and prey before release. For homing accuracy in different lighting, they release the ants at the base of the tree a day later in dark, dim and bright lighting conditions. This found that as light levels dropped, the ants began to stray from the paths, and it took them double the amount of time to return to the nest. For how lighting affects homing navigation, the ants were released 10 minutes after capture, facing in different directions, 12 meters from the tree in dark lighting. It was found that when collected before sunset, the ants found the nest faster than those who were collected after sunset. Overall, it was found that when the lighting decreased, the ants tended to pause longer and stray from paths. It was also found that these ants navigated by using landmarks, which is greatly affected by lighting conditions. Myrmecia ants have adapted by having eye lenses 3 times larger with photoreceptors wider than the day-dwelling ant species. Myrmecia ants are still affected by light, which has been shown and proven throughout this paper.
The ants go marching 3 by 3, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 3 by 3, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 3 by 3, the little one stops to climb a tree and they all